Hi guys! I am so excited to show you this light hack. You can basically take any hardwired wall sconce or light and control the light by remote control. It's so easy. I think you're going to love it, and it's going to open up your opportunities to put accent lights in places that maybe you hadn't thought of before because you thought you had to have an electrician hardwire the light, or you didn't want a light cord hanging down your wall or whatever. So if you'd please give me a thumbs up, I really appreciate it.